Welcome to Learning Science. In this video, we are going to talk about smart narrative. Sometimes the words are helpful to explain detail about report or visual. Sometimes the report viewer need additional hint in what form to identify trend and ideas. The smart narrative visualization help you to quickly summarize, visual, and report. It provides relevant, innovative insight that you can customize. So let us add the smart narrative. So let me go to this page. Here you can see the order quantity by sales date. You can see the line chart, and in the below there is a order quantity by category. So category wise order quantity. Now on the base of this two graph, I want to generate the summary for these two graph. So here in the visualization pane, you will find here the smart narrative. Double click on the smart narrative. You will see the summary has been generated. So order quantity trend down, resulting in a 22.8% decrease between Wednesday, January 1st January to 1st April 2020. Okay, order quantity decreased for the last 4 days on record. So last 4 days, let me use some size. Come on, last 4 days. See, last 4 days it is decreased. So bike accounted for 38.21 of order quantity. Across all 8 category, order quantity range between this and this. So here only this much is, you can add your custom thing also. Like for example, here let me add a total sales. Total sales for the year 2020. So for total sales, I have a column here in my data set, sales amount. So here I will write my last question, total sales amount. Let us click here and say save. Total sales amount generated. Now let me go back to total order quantity. So I'll go here, I'll click here and say total order quantity and click here. So my total sales and total order quantity for the year 2020 has been generated. Let me change the year. And this is the smart narrative. So it is AI feature, and based on the year it will change. Now let me change to 2019. So my graph has been changed. My this total sales, total order quantity, everything is changed. Now let me go back to 2020. So again, change. Everything, all text and everything will change if you change the year. So now this basically this smart narrative, this the whatever the summary has been generated, as I told you, the based on these two graph. Now if you want to add a summary for the particular graph, not for the full page or for all the visual, let me show you that one. I'll go to the next page. Here the same graph. Now I want to generate a summary for this one. Right click here and say summary, and you will find the summary here for this one also. This graph, line graph only, line chart only. So now if you want to add for this one, you again click here. You will the summary for this one. This graph, category order quantity by category is generated. So this way, this is very nice actually. So sometimes the people need some idea what is this summary will be highlighted the key points. So it is very useful. So please try when you will build a new report. So many thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel, and happy learning.